And of course, for those who suffer dark underarms, we actually recommend this underarm brightener. So you can apply this one if you have discoloration underarm, and you can actually apply this in the morning or at night. But I advise you, if you are a first timer that you're gonna use this underarm brightener, you really need to do patch tests, because sometimes people doesn't know that they have allergic reaction in azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is one of the main ingredient of underarm brightener. So sometimes it causes redness on our underarm if you have an allergic reaction on it. That's why we advise them to do patch test 3 days, for 3 days. And then if their skin doesn't come up any redness or rashes, they can actually apply it all over their underarm. Okay. You can actually skip using deodorant if you're using underarm brightener, because it has antiperspirant ingredient on it. So it has alpha-arbutin, which is antioxidant and natural brightener, which actually reduces the melanin production. It also has azelaic acid, which is also an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. So it also has butyl resorcinol, which is a potent inhibitor of tyrosinase that can actually slow or block the production of melanin. And that's the reason why our underarms are dark as compared to other areas. It also has pentylene glycol. It's because for us to protect our skin from harmful bacteria that can cause us body odor. And that's the reason why you can skip using deodorant with our underarm brightener. It also has lemon balm, which is also an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant for our skin. But sometimes, since it has azelaic acid, which can kill bacteria, and it's a good anti-inflammatory, you can actually use this if you have, 1 or 2 breakouts on your face. You can actually apply this spot treatment on your face, and it can kill bacteria. The reason why you have breakouts, it's because your skin was already inflamed and your skin has a bacteria on that particular area. So you can actually apply this underarm brightener as spot treatment. Apply it using a Q-tip, okay, and then apply it on your breakout. It can actually dries out the pimple or breakout.